Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a 2013 Dodge Ram 3500 with the Cummins diesel engine in it. Customer came in and they were having an issue with the diesel exhaust fluid level kind of bouncing all over the place. And if that level gets too low, the engine management system will actually start derating or not allowing the vehicle to go over a certain mile per hour to encourage you to get that issue resolved, whether it be adding more DEF fluid or, in this particular case, getting the DEF fluid level sensor replaced. The interesting thing is they use a sonar system in the DEF tank to determine how full or empty the tank is, because DEF fluid is somewhat corrosive and kind of gummy, and it will affect a normal level sensor like a fuel tank level sensor, where it's got an arm that goes up and down and floats with the fluid level. This actually was a little bit of an interesting thing to be able to diagnose correctly. Once we were confident that it was actually the DEF level sensor, we informed the customer that it would need to be replaced, got a new one, put it in, and filled it back up with DEF fluid. Once we did that, then the gauge was reading correctly. The vehicle had reset itself where it could operate under normal conditions. So if you have a vehicle that's having an emission system issue and you're not quite sure where to take it, we can definitely look at that for you and get you an estimate at no charge. My name is Dan, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.